In a resident OS computer, it is given 2001. No, this question is given in gate 98. So you can read that question there. Anyway, I have written it there. Watch it. So in a resident OS computer, which of the following system software must reside in the main memory under all the situations? So if you have all these software modules, which one should always be in the memory or under all the situations? See, being present in the memory means it is already loaded. There is no need of loading it. If it is not present in the memory, then you have to load it after some time, right? Then what are the modules which are always present in the main memory? That is what they are asking. First thing is assembler. Assembler need not be present in the main memory all the time. Whenever it is required, we could load it. The reason is not every process will require assembly, right? It is required only at one time, and once the program has been assembled, assembly is not required. So later, if some other program requires assembly, then we could load it. Therefore, it is not required all the time. What about linker? Similarly, right? So linker is also not required all the time. Whenever we want to link the modules, we need the linker. Then we will load it, and then once it is done, we will move it out, right? Why should we move it out? Why can't we always have them in the memory? Because main memory is very small. You cannot have everything in the memory all the time. Therefore, we keep on moving them inside the memory and then moving them out. That is called as FAP. So we shall see about this fapping later. But anyway, assembly is not required all the time. Linker is not required all the time. And what about loader? Loader, should it be present in the memory all the time or no? Check this. If somehow you have moved out the loader, then again you have to load the loader. Now who will load the loader? Loader itself. But if the loader is not present, then who will do that? Therefore, there is no program which can load a program, right? A process. So therefore, you are not supposed to send the loader out. If you do that, you cannot load the loader again without a loader, and therefore you cannot load any other process. So everything will come to halt. Therefore, loader should always be present in the memory, because without it you cannot load other processes. Therefore, loader should always be present. What about compiler? Same thing. Whenever you want it, you can get it. Otherwise, it is not required, right?